Number 7 is the popular Indian curry. That is Bombay British Samundari Khazana curry. As the world was dancing to Nicole Scherzinger and the rest of the world to Jai Ho, that is You Are My Destiny, while celebrating the success of Slumdog Millionaire. Bombay British decided to create a curry dish fit for winners of Who Want to Be a Millionaire. Devon Crab Check. The name loosely translated means seafood treasure. This dish is made from Devon crab, beluga caviar, white truffle, gold leaf, 4 abalones, quail eggs, and a Scottish lobster coated in gold. The price is usually 2000 USD. It's the most expensive curry in the world. It's an experience, an exclusive, luxurious experience, reserved for the selected ones that can afford it. Number 6 in our list is the Domenico Crolla's Pizza Roll 007. I have to admit that when I first saw pictures of Domenico Crolla's pizza art, I thought they must have been baked in a Photoshop oven. But I was wrong. Domenico Crolla is a Scottish chef known for putting portraits into his pizza creations. He decided to create the Pizza Roll 007, though the producers of the James Bond films did not commission it. It was a 12-inch pie filled with lobsters marinated in cognac, caviar soaked in champagne, tomato sauce, Scottish smoked salmon, prosciutto, venison medallions, and vintage balsamic vinegar. To top it all, there are 24-karat gold flakes. Wow! They are not to be taken home, however, as they are edible. Number 5 is the Densuke Black Watermelon. Black watermelons are rare items, especially the Densuke variety that is only grown in the island of Hokkaido in Japan. A harvest will typically yield only a few dozen fruits. Do you guys know what makes it special aside for its rarity? Its hardness and crispness are just perfect. Plus, the level of sweetness is just incomparable. The price of a single watermelon is $7,900. The extremely rare fruit is sweeter than regular watermelons, a little rounder, and are a shade of pink instead of the usual red on the inside. They are also known for their black and shiny skin as well as for their crunchy texture. The Densuke watermelon is not yet widely grown outside of Japan, but the seeds begin to be commercially available in Europe and America. Number 4 is the Yubari King Melon. No, these are not the ordinary cantaloupes that you can find in the supermarket. The orange-fleshed Yubari King melons are coveted because of its portion and sweetness. These items are so in demand that auctions are actually conducted for its purchase. Like, seriously? A top-grade melon is to be perfectly round and have an exceptionally smooth rind. A portion of the stem which is snipped with scissors is left on for aesthetic appeal. Some Japanese people present Yubari King melons as gifts during Shugen. At a Japanese auction in 2008, 2 Yubari King melons sold together for 2.5 million yen. In 2019, Tokyo-based Poka Sapporo Food and Beverage Limited bought a pair of Yubari melons at auction for the highest recorded price of 5 million yen. Third in our list is the Italian white Alba truffles. Do you know, guys, truffles are expensive items, but none as dear as the Italian white Alba version. These items have become difficult to cultivate, thus explaining the exorbitant price. A huge white Alba truffle that came in at around 1.51 kilograms was once sold for over $160,000. A retail investor from Hong Kong and his wife brought home the truffle. White truffles have a golden exterior with delicate tan or cream-colored flesh. and a strong musky and slightly garlicky aroma. They are almost never cooked but are usually consumed fresh, typically by being shaved into paper thin slices over pasta, risotto, or salad. Edible truffles are held in high esteem in French, Italian, Croatian, Ottoman, Middle Eastern, and Spanish cuisine. Number 2 in our list is the Almas caviar. Almas caviar is an extremely rare food item from Iran. It is regularly sold for 20,000 to 34,000 US dollars. The only store known to carry this item is the Caviar House and Prunia located in Piccadilly in London. Almas caviar is a variety of beluga caviar. Almas caviar is the caviar containing of the roe or eggs of the beluga sturgeon huso huso. The fish is found primarily in the Caspian Sea, which is the world's largest saltwater lake. It can also be found in the Black Sea basin and occasionally in the Adriatic Sea. Caviar is directly eaten from the skin between the index finger and thumb. The eggs are rolled slowly around the mouth and is popped to release the flavor. Here comes number 1, that is Lindt Hoe pudding. This dessert tops the list of most expensive foods. To eat this pudding, you need to take out money of $35,000 from your wallet. The dessert from Chef Mark Gubert of Lindt Hoe Country House Hotel in England's Lake District. It is expensive but worth to try because it is not only has best quality but has best ingredients. It is made from high-end Belgian chocolate, gold caviar and a 2-carat diamond. It is layered with champagne jelly and a little biscuit zoconade and glazed with edible gold leaf and served in an edible replica of Fabergé egg. This pudding has broken all previous records for fancy desserts in the world, but it is not recorded in the Guinness World Record yet.